Well. Good morning. Good morning to all you sleepyheads. Got a little snow out there today. Not a lot. 1 millimeter worth of snow. So that's fun. It's always, I don't know why it makes hot tenting even more funner when it's snow. So slept pretty damn good last night. Gotta say, I really improved on my bed situation sleeping on this cot here in the winter or in the cold weather. So that's great. Really got that problem solved. Stayed nice and warm last night between the stove, which I only got going one time in the middle of the night, and the space heater, more than warm and toasty. So that was great. I am dreading, because it's a closed winter campground. I'm dreading using this motherfucker. I'ma have to. I'ma have to. So yeah, I think now it's time to get a little coffee going, get some breakfast going. It's early, but I figure I better get it out the way. At some point, I'm going to have to get out there, source some wood, get something chopped up. Have to put in a little elbow grease here eventually, and then at some point, go get some worms and head on down to that lake. Burning through my wood quicker than I thought. Had to hop out there and grab something real quick. Get some water on for some more coffee. Definitely gonna have to cut up a lot more wood today. So that ought to be fun. Alright. It's not clear already. I'm not the most timeliest of person, especially when I'm on my own time. So it's noon. Finally heading out to go do a little fishing. So brought a little lunch with me, the typical sausage over the fire. So is what it is. I'm gonna go find some worms. Go hit the what's that? I guess that's the west side of the lake, something like that. So, okay, look at my beard looking terrible. Jesus Christ. Gotta comb it. All right, look forward to a comb beard in the next shot, huh? Oh, God, I got debris in it, too. All right, we're going fishing, y'all. Took a little quick trip over to Cordova Park. It has a really cool tower that gives you a good 360 view of the lake and surrounding area. So let's go take a gander. Let's hope it's open. Okay, well, good news. Normally, you have to pay money to go up in the tower. It's not much. Literally, it's quarters. First time me and my wife came up here, threw us off. Luckily, we had like the 75 or 50 cents in quarters that it takes. So it's actually wide open. So it's open to the public. It's windy and cold as hell. So we're going to jaunt up and then jaunt right back down. Stay with me. A while ago, 2 quarters, 50 cents. Used to be 50 cents. I guess they're flush with cash this year because this bad boy is wide open. All right, let's do this. Yeah, I'm confident. I'm confident in this. This is a good idea. Oh my God, I got so many levels to go. We're getting close. We are getting close. Okay, that about killed me. Incredible health I'm in. It's weird. So here we are. Cordova Tower indeed. I think the floor's creaking because it was snowing and then raining at one point. So it's just a little ice breaking up. Doesn't make it any less nerve-wracking. It's the bridge I just crossed over. And camped right over there somewhere. Right over there somewhere. I don't know if you know, right? This is Lake Red Rock. Like I said, it's known for its limestone cliffs and whatnot that surround it. There are actually some camp spots out here at the lake that you can only get to by canoe. You can paddle to the cliffs and spend the night or two or whatever. I don't have a canoe, so I haven't done that yet. So, but I hear they're nice. So yes, freezing my ass off for you. Cordova Tower, everybody. All right, let's get the hell out of here. Woo. Holy smokes. It was easier coming down than it is going up, huh? Okay. Okay, so that's Cordova Tower. Cool little spot. Obviously, your spring and fall seasons are prime for scenic views and whatnot, but either way, it's pretty nifty. And it was free. I went out and got quarters for no reason. All right. Let's quit messing around. Let's go fishing. All right, all right, all right. Back full of shit. Only one here. Wait, they about to leave. So that's going to be right here in a few seconds. Never mind that. This is where I'm at. Now, I actually, if you go back in my videos, maybe if I get clever enough, you'll see just on the other side of this bridge over here is Roberts Creek County Park, where I camped at not too long ago. So, yeah, go watch that. Okay. Gosh, my legs are still tired from that damn tower. All right. Here we go. Yeah, a little muddy. It's a little muddy. Like I said, it's been raining and snowing off and on. This was the very first place at Red Rock I ever fished. Shout out to my guy Powers. He hit me to this spot. We came out here one day and we caught a bunch of fish. Actually, I think he caught the fish, but he caught a bunch of fish. So yeah, it is nice and out of the wind down here. So that's really good. My snotting. We're gonna get ourselves a fire going. Get some, that's weird. Don't worry about it. Get some fire going, hopefully catch a fish. Why can't I say that? Damn. All right. Stay tuned, guys. Come on. Come on. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. You're getting so much. Good. Fuck you. Hell yeah. Oh, it's big. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Pretty big fish, huh? Camera still rolling, it is? I hope so. Yeah! Oh shit, it's a carp. I think so. Sausage burning up. Oh no, it's a cat. It's another cat. That one. Okay. Yeah! Oh, that's a big one. Yeah. Got you, motherfucker. All right. That's a big old fat cat. I don't know, 10 pounds, maybe 8 pounds, somewhere in there. Fucking A. Catch a fish out here today. This might be one of the last ones I catch. Got it? You got it. Well, all right. Fish, sausage, patchy beard. I think it's time to get out of here. Get back in that tent, get ourselves warmed up, chill out rest of the day, huh? All right. I made it back to camp. I did find a little bit of firewood. I had to get it chopped up so it actually fits in my stove, but instead of having to chop down a tree, so that was great. Not chop down a tree, you know what I'm saying? Source some wood, whatever. But yeah, time to get a fire going, hang out, chill out. I'm gonna do a salad because I only had a sausage for lunch, so I'm a little hungry still. And then yeah, we'll just chill out until it's dinner time. I can't decide if I'm gonna do chicken on the grill, classic, or if I'm gonna just do soup again. It's one or the other, really. But it's getting dark so early. My tent's a little frustrating me, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do soup. I think I'm deciding right here, right now. Soup later. So stay tuned. Okay. Okay, it's light out. Holy smokes. Whoa. It's so bright. Finally got myself together and got some breakfast going. Love myself some over easies, crispy bacon. I went ahead and got a little burrito going over there too. That's just back up, just in case the eggs and bacon don't keep me good to go. All in all, not too bad. It actually was kind of a rough trip with the dang tent busting on me. Look how jankety. Anyways, but once I got past that hump there, you know, I do a little bit more elbow work this time around with cutting more wood. But that's kind of just how it goes in the winter season, unless I go and find specifically. Oh no, that's a word. That's a word. If I go find wood, it's appropriately sized for my stove that I have here. So, you know, if I can't find it, then I gotta cut it myself. So, you know, ups and downs to it. So, save some money, but lots of elbow grease needed for an adventure like this. And you know, this is just barely cold weather camping. I think I got down to about 22 was the coldest I got last night, and hovered around 30 during the day. So you know, cold nonetheless, but not as cold as it gets. You know, we got winter coming at us pretty hard this year. You know, word on the street is, I don't know why I put quotes up, but word on the street is winter's gonna be tough this year. So that's just what I've been hearing. I don't know what y'all been hearing. So Oh, Lordy. So, yeah, winter camping, Elk Creek State Park, or fall camping. Damn it. See, I already got my Elk Creek State Park, Fall Creek State Park. Oh, shit. Who cares? Who cares where I'm at, huh? No, Elk Creek State Park, nice little adventure. Caught a fish. That's great. Probably one of the last ones I'll catch of the season. Um, so yeah, all in all, not too bad. I think right now I'm gonna just take advantage of the time I got here with the money that I paid. Enjoy some breakfast. I mean, watch a little YouTube or something like that. But certainly, at some point, I got to pack all this up, get my way up out of here. So we appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one, huh?